Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, let me make this opportunity to draw the attention of the government and also of the House to some of the important factors and the vital situation that is obtaining in the country today. The prices of essential commodities are soaring up like anything. The prices of even food grains and edible oils are increasing day by day, and the life of the common man is becoming miserable. There is no use of preaching to the business people, black marketeers, and hoarders unless the government takes some stringent action against the black marketeers and hoarders. I do not think the business community, which is bent on making money, only interested in its business of making money. This business community is not there to do any social service to the people. They are there only to make money. As such, black marketeers and hoarders should be punished, and I may even ask why the MISA should not be used against such undesirable elements in this country. When the Congress government used the MISA against black marketeers and hoarders, the opposition parties and political leaders wanted all the political leaders to be released from jail, and that not a single political leader should be kept inside the jail in the name of black marketeering. But at the same time, they never wanted the undesirable elements to be let out. Now I appeal to the government to find out whether undesirable elements like black marketeers and hoarders could be booked. At the same time, full liberty should be given to the courts of law, and the courts of law should not be closed to those people. Now we find the Prime Minister of the country making appeals to the business people, but how long do you go on making appeals to them to lower the prices? So I appeal to the government to see that the prices of essential goods are reduced so that they come within the reach of the common man. Sir, the agricultural production is going down because the prices of fertilizers are going up. The cost of agricultural production is shooting up day by day, and the backbone of the agriculturist and the small farmer having been broken today, he is not in a position to do his cultivation. I say that the small marginal farmer does not get credit facilities from the government or from the bank. So I appeal to the government to help the agriculturists and the small farmers so that they may do their cultivation work properly and the agricultural production of the country is increased. Stop.